Hey everyone, adding videos to your ActiveCampaign page is a fantastic way to boost engagement and make your content stand out. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to do that. Let's jump right in. First, open up the campaign you're working on in ActiveCampaign. Let's go open or test campaign. And we are going to click on email. There we go. And then we are going to hit start from scratch. There we go. And once you're in the content editor, you'll notice a toolbar at the top with various options for editing your content. So there's image, text, button, spacer, and video is what we are looking for. Okay, great. So you can drag this and you can move this around, resize it, customize it just like any other element in your email. So we'll drop it here. And then you can click on it. And right here, you can insert your link. And it can be from YouTube, Vimeo, or any other platform that supports embedding. All right, so let's go ahead and just paste a simple video in. There we go. So once you paste the URL, ActiveCampaign automatically generates a thumbnail that links directly to the video. All right, so remember you can also drag the video block, whether you want it at the top, in the middle, or at the bottom. It's all up to you. And you can also resize the video thumbnail to fit the design of your email. So just click on the corners of the video and drag to adjust the size. Remember, keeping your video visible and accessible is key to maximizing engagement. All right, so before you finalize your email, always preview it to make sure everything looks good. So use the preview option to see how your video will appear on different devices like desktops and mobile phones. So send yourself a test email to ensure the video link works properly and the thumbnail appears as expected. So once everything is perfect, you're ready to send your email campaign. Yeah, so these videos are great for keeping your audience engaged. They're more dynamic than just text and images. And of course, if you're new to ActiveCampaign, you can try it out for free by clicking the link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.